Welcome to our channel, What If Sketches, where imagination meets the whiteboard. Have you ever wondered what life might be like as an ant? Or what if the moon suddenly disappeared? Well, you're in the right place. This channel is your gateway to exploring the what-ifs of the world, diving deep into imaginative scenarios and uncovering fascinating perspectives. Every week, we'll take you on a journey through time, space, nature, and beyond. From thought-provoking questions to unexpected discoveries, we turn the ordinary into extraordinary. Using whiteboard animations, we make learning fun, stories memorable, and curiosity unstoppable. Our videos are short enough to fit into your busy day, but deep enough to leave you with a new idea to ponder or a smile to share. So whether you're here to spark your imagination, learn something cool, or just enjoy some creative fun, we've got you covered. Subscribe to our channel, What If Sketches, and hit that notification bell to never miss an adventure. Your next great what if is just a click away. Let's explore the extraordinary together, one whiteboard animation at a time.